Hi my friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramani and once again welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great, and the summer is at the peak, so everyone is expecting summer should complete. How many days we should bear this summer? Every year the summer we have to go through, and why the summer is special for cotton sarees, and why the cotton sarees are called as summer queen, and what is speciality in cotton, and why the females or the ladies, every woman will not compromise with cotton saree. Why that much demand? And for this summer the cotton is called the summer queen, my friends. I just want to tell you the in detail video about the cotton sarees and cotton varieties. Keep watching. I am going to share you with every cotton saree and the fabrics, latest designs in series concept part 1, part 2. So keep connect with me, and quickly, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comments. I'll clear your doubts. First time if you're watching the video for the clothing brand, for the doing business, to start up, to have a new collections, this channel will help you. So subscribe the channel, please follow, you'll get every notifications. My friends, I just want to tell you why the cotton is called the summer queen is because cotton is a comfort fabric. First thing, it's a breathable cotton, I can say. And next I can say it's skin friendly fabric. Why it is skin friendly fabric? Why? Because it won't give you irritation, it won't give you itching. That is why the cotton, especially in summer, every worldwide they expect and they run for cotton. And why? That is why the cotton is called the summer queen, I can say. And how this cotton is getting ready? If I talk about cotton manufacturing, one thread is doing how much back end work. One yarn is going for weaving, and weaving equal to dyeing. Then at last the saree is getting the work. It's a single cotton. The thread having a back end work, it's a long process. Yarn, it's going for weaving, and how it is getting the dyeing process, and at last the saree is getting ready. So my friends, keep watching this video, subscribe the channel, and let's see the cotton demanded varieties for South special for this summer. So I just want to 400 to 700 range of varieties I brought for you. These are the beautiful lovely sarees. So if I talk about the first pattern, the digital with kesar color with mud black, beautiful, the elephant and peacock design with the pattu traditional border, I can say. And next part, it is you got the Rama green with covered print with traditional bird weaving, you can see here. This is also one of the pattern. And next color, if I can say, the purple color, dark purple with the matte golden border. Every saree you got the weaving border with the pattu concept, the south based. This is the south color taste, I can say over here. And if I talk about the maroon with peacock blue, very lovely digital concept of the leafy pattern. This is also one of the pattern. And every saree you will find out the color charts also. The black lovely color with the cream color flower print with the weaving. This is also black color, and the cream pastel color, one of the pastel color with the cream color border and cream color pattu. You can see the pastel English colors also you can see over here. And next color, the mehndi green with Rama blue, with Rama green or peacock blue, I can say. These all sarees I can show you how these sarees are very presentable. And apart from in this cotton saree, for the daily wear concepts, these type of cotton saree with the not heavy border like pattu border, copper border with the golden border, print come mini borders, all these kind of sarees for this summer the women are expecting. That's why the cotton is called the summer queen, I can say. So hope you enjoyed these kind of varieties, my friends. So if you are a reseller, if you are a sarees business, you're doing it, these kind of sarees, every business you have to add based on the season. And cotton is such a fabric, worldwide everyone is expecting these kind of sarees. And south, I have told you why these sarees are very demanded and fast moving and having a good margin. So part 2, I am going to tell you what kind of cotton varieties are there and what all the sarees are in that concepts, what kind of sarees with different cotton, how much cotton is demand at the market level, we will see in the next part 2. So keep connect with me, and if you have any doubts, let me know in the comments. So subscribe the channel. Please try to visit Doriwala Square building next to Mohan Sweets, opposite to Surat Railway Station. If you want to start and if you want to have a collections of samples also, 20,000 minimum, COD options you can purchase, pan India COD is there. So no need to worry about the doubts or clarity, and safety and security, you will receive your products. So there is a team to guide you, to support you. Every video, every day you will get the notifications. So subscribe, and if you are watching first time, please follow, share and share with everyone, and subscribe the channel if you are watching first time. So part 2 will meet with cotton more varieties. Until then, keep supporting my friends. Take care. Bye-bye.